India and Malaysia announced initiatives to enhance cooperation in defense, security, and trade following talks between Prime Minister Modi and Anwar Ibrahim. Commitment to counter-terrorism and maritime security with plans for collaboration in AI, semiconductors, and health. India and Malaysia on 8 February unveiled multiple initiatives aimed at deepening cooperation between the countries in defense and security, semiconductors, and trade segment. This came after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's official state visit to Malaysia, where he held wide-ranging talks with counterpart Prime Minister Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Modi said, India and Malaysia share a special relationship and that both sides are committed to expanding their ties in diverse sectors. The Prime Minister landed in Kuala Lumpur on 7 February and received a grand red carpet reception from Prime Minister Ibrahim. He was also accorded a ceremonial welcome at Perdana Putra this morning. India and Malaysia share a special relationship. We are maritime neighbors. For centuries, our people have had deep and affectionate ties. Today, Malaysia is the second largest country in the world with a population of Indian origin. Our civilization, shared cultural heritage, and democratic values bind us together. He said, Ibrahim also hosted an official luncheon in honor of Modi and conducted the exchange of a number of bilateral documents aimed at strengthening institutional cooperation. The Indo Pacific region is emerging as the growth engine of the world, Modi said, adding that India is committed to development, peace, and stability across the entire Indo Pacific region together with ASEAN. He added that both sides will strengthen cooperation in counter-terrorism, intelligence sharing, and maritime security, and make defense cooperation more comprehensive. Along with AI and digital technology, we will advance partnership in semiconductors, health, and food security, Modi added. He was in the Southeast Asian country at the invitation of Malaysian PM Ibrahim. The two countries established diplomatic relations in 1957, and this was elevated to a comprehensive strategic partnership in August 2024. Establishment of an Indian Consulate General in Malaysia. According to Randhin Jaiswal, spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs in a post on X, this will ensure better access to services, including consular and passport services, improve outreach to diaspora, and commercial engagement, besides providing stronger support for Indians in Malaysia. Agreement between and Malaysia's National Payment Network, PayNet, SDN BHD, on cross-border payment. This means payment can now be made using UPI by tourists and diaspora can have a smoother transaction. Further, it also reduces the dependence on cash and supports Indian fintechs. Audiovisual co-production agreement between the governments of India and Malaysia. According to Jaiswal, this will facilitate co-production of films and boost cultural ties with Malaysia. He added that it will also enable cooperation and pooling of AV resources and showcase India's culture. MOU between India and Malaysia on cooperation in disaster management. This will include cooperation in recovery, rehabilitation, and rescue operations, exchange of knowledge and best practices, and improvement in disaster response capabilities, as per Jaiswal post on social media platform X. MOU between India and Malaysia on cooperation in combating and preventing corruption. He said this cooperation between the MACC and CBI will facilitate exchange of knowledge on corruption, prevention and detection. It is also expected to facilitate dialogue on combating and preventing corruption, enhance awareness on anti-corruption, and enable greater transparency and accountability in governance. Exchange of letter between the governments of India and Malaysia on the MOU on United Nations peacekeeping cooperation. This promotes peace, security and stability, he added. EON on cooperation in the field of semiconductors between the governments of India and Malaysia. Jaiswal's post noted that this will help build India's capability in the sector, enhance competitiveness, increase job opportunities and build resilient and stable semiconductor supply chain. Framework Agreement on International Big Cats Alliance IBCA. This aims to strengthen global conservation efforts, increase access to best preservation practices, and support wildlife and environment conservation. MOC between India's Employees State Insurance Corporation ESIC and Social Security Organization on social security programs and activities for Indian citizens as insured persons in Malaysia. Jaiswal added that this will improve health and occupational safety and welfare of Indian workers in Malaysia and facilitate expeditious benefit payment to injured Indian workers and dependents. EON on cooperation in vocational education and training TVET between the governments of India and Malaysia. This includes enhanced exchanges of information, expertise, and best practices, improved capacity and quality of TVET system, institutional linkages between training institutes of both countries, and cooperation in youth capacity building and enhancing employability. EON on security cooperation between National Security Council Secretariat India and National Security Council Malaysia. This is aimed at security cooperation in the areas of new and emerging threats. EON on cooperation in the fields of health and medicine between governments of India and Malaysia. This is expected to improve delivery of health services, cooperation in capacity building of healthcare providers, and exchange of best practices and research collaboration. Presentation of report of the 10th Malaysia-India CEO Forum. This aims to support Viksit Bharat, build a stronger economic partnership, increase trade and investment, enhance tech collaboration and job opportunities. Establishment of a dedicated Thiruvalluvar Center and University Malaya, Kuala Lumpur. This aims to promote academic research and studies in arts and culture, leadership and management, enhance academic exchanges between the two countries, and knowledge sharing through student and faculty exchanges. Institution of Thiruvalluvar Scholarships for Malaysian National. This aims to provide scholarships in Indian institutions for Malaysian nationals and enhance knowledge sharing through student and faculty exchanges. Memorandum of Understanding MOU between University of Cyberjaya UOC and Institute of Training and Research in Ayurveda ITRA on academic collaboration. This will include cooperation in traditional medicine, capacity building of experts, improved access to holistic health care and facilitation of studies and research.